The first name's Brian. I don't know what his last name is.
Every single tire.
Just know Brian.
Yeah.
You know how old he is?
It's about a boat guy. Pretty close guy.
Do you have ID on it?
Not that I know of. But everybody pretty much knows him out here, even the day he keeps the blonde over. That's who he is.
Mark, get it?
Yeah, I guess he was trying to catch him.
And just so you know, that plate you gave me, 61961 shows expired 6:30 at 12 on a 94
waited.
out of Los Angeles.
I wasn't sure if he was going to leave or not.
Okay, 10-4. Just make sure you're getting this ready for traffic. Thank you.
Well, I was there on the corner. I seen Brian come around right there. And I said, "Hey, Brian, how you doing?" This way, he was trying to get on the sidewalk right here. And next thing I know, he's going down the sidewalk. No, he was actually driving up along where the parking lot is. And next thing I know, he got run over. He got hit.
So he was going from
Right around that corner. He come right straight this way and right around the corner. This he was on the street. Yeah, he was in the parking lot. Yeah. But he was trying to get on the sidewalk.
So he was coming at this side over here? Yeah. And then that's when
Oh, somewhere right on the sidewalk.
Right. If he actually slowed down on the side there, I think so.